YouTube? It's Handy Smith, and today I got a package from eBay, testing out a new product. Because I want to change this out because it's all ripped up and stuff, and it's old. It's the original one, and I have a replacement, and we're going to see how it is. All right, so the package that I got came from Warner Express, and it's a replacement shifter, and I just want to see how the quality is. Look like it's a Chinese part, so let's see if they got everything right. Oh, they put it in good. So we're gonna say presentation. Everything looks pretty similar. It did come a little damaged. I guess we're gonna address that. Still gonna go forward with the repair, but I guess for the most part, it might work. So let's head on with the repair. So I guess now here's the time we bring out your plastic pry tool. You're gonna have 2, 4, 6 clips, basically holding it down like that. So I have my plastic pry tool. And we're just gonna get down and under, kind of work our way around, and then pry it up. Once you have it up, you're gonna see the little boot. Like I said, mine's is pretty old. And then you have this spring that you have to unloose, and then the whole thing comes up. Now that you have this up, I mean, if you want, now is a good time to clean out the little junk that's all the way around on the inside. Like I said, mine's a little dirty, but I'll tackle that later. But I have my tool, and I'm just going to twist this off. Then we're going to open it. It would be best if you had a needle nose pliers. I don't at the moment, so we're going to try to compress that. And pulls off like that. So now that we have the old boot off, I'm gonna save this just in case. I see the part numbers right here, just so I could get a better part number in the future. But we're basically gonna do the same thing for this in a reverse order. Okay, so now that you have the shifter, you want to push it in all the way. And make sure that this is exposed with the ring. Make sure it's lined up so you know the direction your shifter wants to go in. So you pop this on. Hold the shifter, pop it down all the way. And then once it's snug, now it's time to tighten up this connector. So once again, I double check, make sure everything's lined up. It's on there pretty snug. Put the boot up, put it over. Use this, and we're going to pinch this ring. So we're going to put tension on it. And then actually we're going to turn it just a little bit so it doesn't slip off. Then you just put the boot down, and you're going to install it from the bottom. Make sure the clips go in, and then put the top in. And there you have it.